What's the meaning of cable and wireless? Cable and wireless. Cable and wireless.
Cable and wireless. Cable and wireless. Cable and wireless is a term that refers to a company that specializes in telecommunications and networking services. It was first established in 1866 to operate telegraph cables connecting Britain with its colonies. The company has since evolved to become a global telecommunications provider, offering a range of services such as mobile, broadband, and cloud solutions. It operates in over 40 countries and has a strong presence in the Caribbean, Panama, and the United Kingdom. In recent years, cable and wireless has grown through acquisitions and mergers with other companies, allowing it to expand its offerings and reach even more customers worldwide.